I'm going to show you how you can earn up to 100% APR staking this gaming coin. Welcome to the APY Guy channel. If you like passive income and you like low market cap gems that could possibly do 100x in a bull market, then you're going to love this channel. So make sure you subscribe to it. Drop a like on this video. Greatly appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. Not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, you might have guessed what the project was, and it is SFUND, the SFUND token. I have covered this project on this channel before, but recently some new opportunities popped up to make some passive income and to farm and stake the SFUND coin. So if we go ahead to the website for CDeFi, it's cdefi.fund. If we go, let's go to the first page here. Take a look at what exactly it is. It says join top tier AI, Web3, gaming, and metaverse IDOs with CDeFi. Decide your tier, stake or farm SFUND, and participate in all the token launches we bring to you in a guaranteed way. What services does CDeFi provide? They provide incubation. CDeFi Fund supports early stage blockchain projects through its DAO-driven incubation program. The program provides projects with funding, mentorship, and access to a network of industry experts. It's also a launchpad. CDeFi Fund offers a launchpad platform where projects can raise capital by selling their tokens to a community of investors. And it also provides a marketplace. CDeFi Fund also has a marketplace where users can buy and sell tokens of projects that have launched on the platform. Benefits of participating in CDeFi Fund: early access to promising blockchain projects, high potential for returns. It's community driven. CDeFi Fund is a community driven platform, which means that investors have a say in which projects are incubated and launched. There are a lot of top influencers that are part of this, that are partnered with this project. I think this is a very safe project to get into, and you could do. I could see it doing an easy 10x in a bull market. All right, let's get to the reason why we're here. If you go to the cdefi.fund website, if you go to stake and farm here, and you click on stake SFUND, you can stake your SFUND tokens. There's locks for 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, and 270 days. For 30 days, it's 1%, 3% for 90, 7% for 180, and 11% for 270 days. So it's a pretty good return. That's both on Binance. Well, I would only do Binance and Arbitrum because the gas fees are much lower. Now, if we take a look at the farming, that's where I really like to go with this. The Binance one, it's 51.97% APR. And then Arbitrum's got some new pools. These are the ones that I wanted to show you. It's 106.74% APR. There's only 171 participants in this pool. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and make a LP token or two here and deposit them into this farm on Arbitrum. Anything in crypto is risky. This is not financial advice. I'm just going to show you how to do it real quick here. So if we go to view pool, we're going to go to app.camelot. I have no idea what this app is. If SFUND thinks it's a good one, then we're going to go with it. Again, we're not going to put a lot of money into this. We're just putting a few bucks into it. I'm going to connect my ledger here. You need ETH on Arbitrum. So we're to add liquidity, we're gonna have to swap some tokens. So I'm gonna swap my ETH. I'm gonna swap 0.008. We need to swap that to SFUND. 0.008. It's going to give us 6.21 SFUND tokens. I'm going to have to plug my ledger in here to swap this. I consider buying a ledger device or some type of equivalent hardware wallet to keep you protected between your MetaMask and anything else you use, any other website you use or connect to. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and swap. So the LP token for this is Ethereum and SFUND. You figure in the middle of a bull market, you're not going to have too much impermanent loss because Ethereum's going to go up as well as SFUND. So you probably have some impermanent loss, but you're going to be over 100% APR. So that should make up for it. Okay, so we got our 6.21 SFUND tokens, and we got our Ethereum here. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add liquidity. Might be easier just to do this. Go to view pool. Loading contracts. Yeah, SFUND I think will definitely do at least a 8 to 10x. We're going to add liquidity. We're going to do our max amount of liquidity to add the SFUND, which is 6.21. We have to approve the SFUND. We're going to go over here and approve it. And we're going to go ahead and approve it on our ledger device. And then we'll add our liquidity. Okay, we got our liquidity here. Now we're going to go back to Seedify, refresh the site. And we're going to go ahead and approve this LP. We're going to keep this in here for a while. Last time when I had to deposit, it was a very small fee to redeposit. Approving 108.52% APR. So hopefully not too many people get into this and then lower the APR. So it's they've distributed 35,000 tokens out of 50,000. We're gonna hit stake, max, and confirm. Arbitrum fees they're medium in my opinion. Matic fees are super low. BNB are a little higher. Arbitrum's a little higher than BNB. So Matic it seems to be the cheapest. Hey, staking complete. So we're in. So now there's 171 participants instead of 172 participants instead of 171. So we added one more to it. So that's how you do that. Okay, quick overview. If you go and stake, you can stake on BNB, you can stake on Ethereum, you can stake on Arbitrum. Staking on Ethereum with the fees probably isn't worth it. Arbitrum's okay, and Binance is good as well. So I really like this. I think this is going to do really well. There's a lot of influencers who are going to push this project. I think in general it's great. If you're not in the United States, you can get into some of these IDOs, which are initial coin offerings or initial NFT offerings. If there's ways to get into these that I don't know about, please let me know in the comments. I know in the United States you have to KYC, and a lot of times you cannot get into these. So if there is a way to get into them, please let me know. Also, if there's any projects, any crypto projects, any stocks, any gaming projects that you think I should be taking a look at and checking into, please leave them in the comments. I really appreciate when you do that. That's where I get a lot of these ideas from to research. So as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.